this is the Inland Gaming MK Pro 75% pre-built, sent over to me by Micro Center, a sponsor of today's short. This keyboard costs $149.99, and yes, it does come with keycaps and switches and stabilizers, so you don't have to do anything fancy. So inside the box, you got a coil cable. It's not braided or anything, but it's USB-C and it's coiled. It gets the job done. You get a couple tools, an Allen wrench, a screwdriver, some extra keycaps, a keycap puller, and the keyboard itself. Alright, the keyboard got 4 rubber feet at the bottom, no kick-up stands, got an interestingly high profile keycap set. So let's plug it in, and it's pretty retro looking. On the side, you've got this RGB, and you even have a knob. Let's see what it sounds like, shall we?